and shine. Wake up, little stars, rise and shine. Open your eyes, it's a brand new time. It's habit time, oh so fine. Let's learn together, stars will shine. Brushy, brushy, up and down. Keep your smile the brightest crown. Fold your blanket nice and neat. Rainbow trails beneath your feet. Pick your toys one by one. Tidy up and you are done. Eat your food, chew it slow. Rainbow energy starts to flow. Open your book, take a look. Adventure waits in every nook. Washy, washy, bubble bright. Clean hands keep you healthy, right? What did we learn today? Good habits guide our way. Good habits make our hearts so light. Morning, evening, shining bright. Jump and play, spin around. Happiness is all around. Brush, clean, read and play. Good habits bloom every day. Aerial flips, fireworks fly. Rainbow streaks across the sky. Be kind, be bright, show your heart. Spread your love, be a smart start. Spin and twirl, glow so bright. Stars shine with all your might. Bounce along, moons twinkle near. Friendship shines, there's nothing to fear. Spin around, rainbow streaks. Happiness is where everyone seeks. Story time, stars above. Tiny tales of care and love. Synchronized dance, floating free. Good habits bring joy to thee. Let's glow together, shine as one. Good habits make life so fun. Form a star, shining bright. Glowing hearts light up the night. Floating high, bubbles and stars. Good habits take you far. Good habits shine in everyone. Twinkle, sparkle, fun is done.